people are gone from the earth, the last of the great mountain giants, who ruled all the world at my birth. Oh, the small folk have stolen my forests, they've stolen my rivers and hills, they've built a great wall through my valleys, and fished all the fish from my rills. In stone halls they burn their great fires, in stone halls they forge their sharp spears. Must I walk alone in the mountains, with no true companion but tears? They hunt me with dogs in the daylight, they hunt me with torches by night. For these men who are small can never stand tall, whilst giants still walk in the light. Ooh, I am the last of the giants, so learn well the words of my song. For when I am gone, the singing shall fade, and the silence shall last long.